to the English, you know. But some of us, of course, take pride in being the queen and stuff, and that's fine. But I love my Jamaicanness. And I remember years ago when I just came here, I was at work and this very elegant and beautiful doctor, female doctor, walked up to me and she said, I'm new in town, I need some information on the Metro Rail. I said, sure, let me get you a brochure and blah, blah, blah. Welcome to Miami, blah, blah, blah. So I said, where are you from? And she said, oh, Baltimore, you know, and she was on her way off. And I said, why are you lying? And she spun around and she was like, who dare you? And I'm saying, you're Jamaican. How did you know? Okay. I said, in all that beautiful speech, you said "de" instead of "de." And it came out. And she said, oh my God, I left Jamaica 2 years old. At 2 years old. That is how powerful our tongue is. Right? So this is my favorite poem. And when I say it, I've said it all over the world. I remember doing it in Taiwan. And we were at the #1 high school in the country. And all the other poets ran and started trying to find something that they had written in their native tongue. It was so powerful, and the way the students reacted. So this is my Jamaican tongue. My Jamaican. Your tongue is ballroom dance for me, I go. I don't have to draw out my vowels like Robin shooting his bow. I make my point, my tongue just flows. Like notes from Dan drum and trombone. I don't envy you for yours, so leave me with my own. You think it's everything I say I want you to understand? My tongue is a disguise. Part of my oral tradition. When our ancestors died and couldn't afford to leave legacy, them wrap up them tongue in a tide and pass it on to me. Stop your rank. Your tongue was derived and so too is mine. If yours is whiskey, mine is pure wine. Harp, rumba, fire, dance a goat skin. Your tongue is her majesty's, mine a same thing. So you can cause your innuendos and aspersions. I don't give a damn, because when you hear me talk, you must always hear Jamaican.